Trader, all my traders, Saturday, YINN, we bought more. We're right at resistance. We break up through resistance. We go higher. And that we do. It is a great trade. It is a great place to be in this bull Chinese rally. YINN, you can see right here. We bought more, higher it goes, and we bought more. 30 reviews right there. We bought more and we added more, and we are at a crucial breakout top. Join us, buy now, pay later. You don't have to have an account to get in this trade. Tell everyone in China, tell all your friends, tell everyone, join our network, do whatever you have to do to trade YINN. Buy now, pay later. Buy now, pay later. Right here, click on the link. It says buy now, pay later. No credit, no stock account needed. You get to be fully invested. Take advantage of YINN on buy now, pay later. Get involved. No credit check, no account. You got it all. Pick your own. Pick this one if you want. Let's go ahead. You can have multiple picks under buy now, pay later. You can be well diversified and well hedged under buy now, pay later.